Hey y'all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this set of letters to Santa decor pieces. So basically, I saw these ornaments at Walmart, thought they were so cute, and I was like, what can I make with those? So they actually open up, and the little gift tags there, that's where your child can write on the back what he wants for Christmas and then just drop it in the little mailbox for Santa. Now those ornaments do open up, so you can take the tags out and read them and then go do your shopping. Anyway, I thought they were so cute. Hang tight and I'll show you how to make them. All right, y'all, we're back with another craft using these awesome candle holders from Walmart. So I've got two of these. Actually, I'm going to be making two of these little crafts. So for each craft, you're going to need one of these. Like I said, I'm making two. So whatever I do with this one, I'm also going to do with the other one. So we have two of these little candle holders, and they have a bunch of different prints on them. I just happened to like this one. And you're also going to need one of these little candle plates here. There's only one size that they carry. You can see if you put it like this, the little nubbies right there fit perfectly down inside the candle holder, like so. So that's a good way to tell you're getting the right size. But like I said, I've only seen one size at the store. So anyway, first off, what we're going to be doing basically is just gluing all this stuff together. And then we're going to be spray painting it. Now, as far as the spray paint, and it's pouring down rain outside. So I'm going to have to spray paint inside the house again. I've got a cracked window and a fan. I don't need a lecture. But anyway, this is the Ultra Cover Paint and Primer. This is a satin finish in the color Colonial Red, and this came from Walmart. So that's a really nice red. I think it's a nice deep red for Christmas. It's not really vibrant, so we're going to give it a go with this. So I have my handy dandy hot glue gun here. If you like this glue gun, look in the comments and the description box, and I'll have a link to where you can get it. But we're going to be gluing these together, the small ends like this, and then gluing this on top. We're going to stick it down initially with the hot glue, and then for the long-term hold, we're going to be using this E6000. And this is the multi-surface all-weather adhesive, low odor. And you can get this at Walmart or look in my Amazon shop. Link for that is in the description box as well. You may can find this. It's like virtually odor-free, so that's why I like it. So anyway, I have a little bit stuck on the end here. We're going to take this and let's flip these babies over. And we're going to use, like I said, the E6000 is for our long-term hold. Now, when you are gluing stuff together with the E6000 and reinforcing with the hot glue, don't mix them together. I'm seeing more and more people do this, and I'm telling you to stop it. Like I've seen people, okay, you put down your E6000 and then you take your hot glue and go right on top of it. Stop doing that. You're making a very weak bond by doing that. Try to keep them as far apart as possible. If they touch just a little bit, it's okay. But you don't want them to really combine or overlap, because then neither one of them is going to set up properly. And I do say this on TikTok, and I've gotten some rude comments, but you know what? I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you so that when you glue everything together and then you come back and move it or it gets knocked over, it won't fall apart. You know, I'm trying to save you some time and money. Excuse me for trying to help people, you know? And now we're going to glue this right on top of here. Same idea. We're going to take our E6000 and go around. Oh, I just used too much. Look, it just fell down in there. It's okay. We ain't going to see it because we're going to paint it. All right. Put that there. And then I'm trying to be careful with the hot glue here. Just put a little bit, and let's see right there. Like I said, that's going to tack it down. There we go. Okay. Just press that down, and I have some Q-tips and stuff over here, and I have some paintbrushes. You know what? I can just grab this paintbrush because I got a little bit of hot glue oozed. I can see it. And just wipe it off like so. Okay. Get that off there, and now we're going to let this set up, and I'm going to paint it with this Colonial Red, and then we're going to come back and put it all together. All right, so this is pretty much dry, and I have my other one sitting over here. But anyway, let's start decorating this. I think, you know what? I think I want to do the little mailboxes first. But anyway, where my scissors go? I'm losing things. So I got these little ornaments from Walmart, letters to Santa, and you can see there's like a little slot up there for somebody to drop a little note in. But you can also open it like this. I'm like, you know, those are just too cute. I need to do something with them. So all of this mess here looks to be held on by a piece of wire. So let's see if we can get that off of there. I'm sorry for the reflection. My filming lights are very bright. Oh, there's my scissors. It's hiding behind my little dancing Michael Myers doll. All right, so let's see what we can do with these. I did get this greenery from Hobby Lobby. But you know, you can get yours Walmart, wherever you want to get yours from. I just thought that this looked better than this stuff here. So I don't really want to cut these apart, but then again, I want to decorate this up, you know? So I was thinking we could take some of this and it would look so much better than what's already on there. So I'm just going to cut a piece here. And then let's cut this piece here. All right. Let's see. Let's cut this piece of wire down so you really can't see it. Okay. You hear it? I think it just hit the wall over there. So anyway, let's take a look at this. Now, whenever you're making this, be sure that you don't glue this shut, okay? Don't glue it like way down on top of here. I want to keep everything up this way. So I think I'm just going to put these two pieces here like so with some hot glue. So let's just stick that down like that and like that. And now I'm just going to hold this in place until that glue sets up. All right, so this is what it looks like so far. Now I cut these little sprigs off, and what I did is I just kind of wrapped it around my finger, and now we're just going to kind of bend that end a little bit. See how we just made it spiral a little bit? Like so. And then let's see, I could have trimmed that down a little bit further probably. And then I'm going to do that to another piece, and then we're going to glue that on there as well. All right, so let's see what I have here. I'm going to trim this down. So what I did is I glued those little curly cues down, and then I went ahead and I glued the tree down. And I also took some more of these little points and I just glued it kind of back behind the tree, you know, just to kind of fill it out a little bit. And I like that. I like the way that looks. I got paint all over me. But anyway, so now what we're going to do is we're going to glue this to this. Just putting some hot glue there. Kind of sticking it down. Like so. Alrighty. Okay, and this is what we have so far. So now I'm going to take some of this snow. This is the buffalo snow that comes in a sheet. You can use whatever type of artificial snow you like. I just like this because, you know, like the little flakes of snow, they make such a darn mess. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to glue it right here on this flat part, because we're going to put some gold roping on here just in a few minutes. Let me get another glue stick. Well, it ain't ready for a glue stick. Amber! So, yeah, we're just going to put a little bit of hot glue here. You don't want to stick this down and then glue your little mailbox on top of it, because it's going to be pretty unstable if you do that. Because see how this is kind of poofy? Yeah, that's the word, poofy. But with this and the hot glue, you can just kind of press it down. Press it down, press it down. Try to get it flat. Okay? And now I'm going to do that all the way around. Okay? This is what we're looking at. And now I have this gold trim. This came from Hobby Lobby, but you can pretty much get this stuff at any craft supply store. And now we're just going to take it and go right around the edge with it. Just to give a little extra something, something. You know how I am with that. So let's stick this down right here. And then we're going to go, like I said, all the way around. And then you see where we have glued these two together right here. We're also going to wrap it around that part right there just to cover up that seam. So let us go. Uh-oh. Let's move this. Here we go. You can put this on first or put your snow on first, whatever. I just didn't want to risk dripping glue on this gold trim because I did that in another craft. I was like, no! So, yeah. That's why I'm doing it this way. All right, so this is what we have. And now there's a lot of gold down here, and there's like no gold up here. So I have one of these gold beads. You can use whatever gold bead you want to use. And I'm going to just put a blob of hot glue on this bead, and then I'm going to stick it to the very top of that little tree, you know, just to kind of set it off. Not really look like the star, because there's no star on this tree, but, you know, just to give it a little extra something, just to kind of reflect that gold. So let's stick that on there, and that is what we have. And there's a bunch of like little tiny gold beads in there, you know. You could put a few on there, you know, just to accent the gold down here. But there we are. And I may still do that yet, you know, put a few little gold beads on there. I don't know, might just leave it like this. But what I found at Walmart was these little gift tags. Aren't they cute? And they were the perfect size to put in this little spot right here. So basically what I wanted to do with this was just to have like a little station. I'm making one for each one of the kids. And just put a few of these right here. And there's going to be like a little pen or pencil. And they can write on the back what they want from Santa. And then they can stick it down in the little mailbox. And then you can come along and dump it out and see what they want. But yeah, isn't that cute? So we can put that there. Let's see, you can prop that up there. But yeah, how cute is that? Just have a few little tags here and there. And I know you can't really see this, but I'm going to get a better picture for you here just in a second. You've already seen it at the beginning of the darn video. I don't know why I keep saying that. But anyway, there you go. Just set up all your little tags and the kids write what they want and drop down in there, and then you come back and check. But anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this. If you would, please give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media. Links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.